Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to convert a month to a corresponding month number and also a number particularly between 1 to 12 to text or month name. Before that we have to understand a few formulas. Let's go. For the first formula we are going to discuss is month. So equal to month tab and close the bracket. So I have extracted the month number. So likewise, we are going to use the same format, but we add one more option within the formula equal to month tab, selecting the cell. In this example, we are going to use same formula, but we add one more option within the formula, that is ampersand. Ampersand, we can use 1 or 0. Control enter. So we can use the same formula across 12 months. So we are getting the correspondent month name across the month text. If we type a date like a number and a text, the cell automatically recognize it and convert the combination to a date. We are creating a formula which will work by itself. For example, if we write a date like first hyphen Jan and control enter, the Excel cell recognizes it as a date. Next concept, how to convert the numbers especially 1 to 12 to a text, that is January to December. Now I am writing a formula equal to text tab F1 into 29 comma double quotes month M and closing bracket. I am using the same formula across all 12 cells. We need a logical understanding of why we are using the number 29. For example, there are 365 days in a year. I'll write down the numbers. So I have written up to 197. I'll take an example of the current year starting from 1st January 2020. In 2020, if we do a numbering for the entire year starting from 1st January to 31st December, we can arrive a unique number for each day. Say for example, now we are in 1st January has number 1, second as number 2, and if we go on till 11th, for example 11th March, now the particular day number is 71. For each and every month there is a common date called 28th. So I have taken the 28 as a base date for each and every month. Equal to, if I multiply it by 1 into 28, it will give you 28. Same wise, if I use it for every cell across 12 months, 140th day, 1 second, 140th day it is May. Now equal to text tab F1 into 29 comma, in double quotes we have to mention the format. Now I am mentioning the format M. Close the bracket. Now we are deriving the month name. The reason for discussing this example is if there is a data set with all months, we should be in a position to extract a specific month report or write a formula to target particular month. I hope you have understood the concept. I will post some scenario in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much.